Okay. You want to tell him take deep breath in, inhale, exhale. Okay, one more time, inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale, exhale. Okay, one more time, inhale. Okay. Okay. Marcus, sideways. Sideways. Okay.
Like this?
Yeah. Okay, I know, yes. Okay. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Yeah, the other side. Oh, good. Okay. Move up a little bit. Okay. Good. Oh, nice. Okay, stay here. Like Lucy, you want to ask him how does he feel? How do you feel?
Good. Bien, Andy.
Yeah, I just mark on that. So like the neck is moved, right? Okay, so you want to ask him like a little bit better, like anything move neck, be bad, neck. You feel it, right? You feel it, right? Yeah.
Sí,
Yeah.
Mejoró totalmente.
A little bit better, neck, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, stay here. Okay. Slide down. Oh no. Okay. Marco. No. Okay. Move down. Okay. A little bit more. Good. Okay. A little bit more. Okay. Good. Okay. Stay here. Okay. Just do some stretch on that. Okay. Good. Stay here. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, stay here. Nice tight, so tight. Okay. Lucy, you want to ask him how does he feel? Like you feel it, right? You feel the neck, right? Neck movement.
Me siento mucho mejor.
How do you feel?
Yeah.
A little bit better? Good. Okay. So like you want to tell Marco when he get up, turn his body sideways to get up. You don't want to keep doing the sit up position.
To stay in that position right
No.
now.
Like he need to get up from the table, right? Turn his body sideways using elbow and hand push himself up. Oh, like